guys. So I just wanted to check in and see how your week is going. We are getting ready for our second exam. It's going to be due by Friday at midnight. So if you have any questions, please let me know. So you're going to head into your lit class. You're going to go to tests. You are going to click on test 2, or you can just click on the link right here. And that'll drop down and download for you, and you'll just open it right up. You're welcome to work on it throughout the week. You don't have to complete it all in one sitting. Just make sure that it's written in your own words, okay? Most of you are doing that wonderfully, but a couple students in the past have had the idea of completely copying and pasting answers from Google. So please use your own knowledge. If you don't know the answer, take a look through your notes, take a look through our PowerPoints, really think about it. You do have resources to use. Just don't copy them word for word. Use your own ideas here. If you're finding that you're having to look up every answer, then you didn't read or you didn't pay attention to the lectures and you need some more study time. So please let me know if you're struggling with any of the concepts or you need any extra support. I'm here. I did also want to let you guys know, if any of you are interested in another LEH class, I teach an LEH 351 called Human Relations. Let me see if I can pull up the syllabus here. Here's your test. Let me pull up, here's here we go. So this course I am offering in the winter. So if any of you are looking for, 3 more credits for another, or perhaps you need another writing intensive course, and you don't have, and you need another LEH, look into taking my LEH 351 winter course. It's a 3-week course. We get it done over the January period between semesters. So it's a great way to get 3 credits and fulfill a 16-week course in 3. So it's kind of neat. I've had a lot of students do really well in it. It's all about human relations. It's all about networking. It's all about your career goals. It's a very personalized course. Basically, we spend a couple weeks together choosing one behavior that you want to work on for a couple weeks. I've had students quit smoking. I've had students, reorient their study time. I've had students work on their relationships, lose weight, kind of get back into like a workout zone. Anyway, it's all about managing stress, managing your own goals, including like personal and career goals. So it's kind of a cool way to fulfill a course need and a credit need and focus on yourself for a couple weeks. So if you're interested in taking a 3-week course as opposed to taking a 16-week course next semester and fulfilling another class need, please let me know if you have any questions. Registration is open. Again, the course is LEH 351. I know I'm going to have questions about it, so I just wanted to let you guys know about it now. Sometimes the winter classes fill up pretty quickly, so I tend to recommend students starting to register as soon as it opens, and I think it just opened. So if you have any questions about it, please let me know. LEH 351 Human Relations. All right, thanks guys.